Every couple has a story, and here is Grace and Caleb's story. Caleb and Grace's love story is a beautiful tale of serendipity and connection that blossomed through shared interests, deep conversations, and support. From their first encounter at the local brewery over a game of bananagrams to their proposal at the Marblehead Lighthouse, their journey so far has been marked by love, laughter, and meaningful moments.
Breathe in peace, exhale chaos.
It's been 1,470 days since we first met, and you changed my life.
When I was growing up, people often told me I was like light, sunny, and positive. But for me, it's you who is the light.
You are the light of my life. You are incredibly funny, incredibly driven, and incredibly loving.
Caleb and Grace, it is my honor to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.